silly stuff today.
That's not gonna happen.
Why is Tremont already bleeding? I missed it.
Tremont gushing while Toru barely has a scratch on him. Perfect Sanity 11, his first round match.
Lol.
Why doesn't he use a flat that taking the wound and spread it apart like a pair of lips?
Doesn't want to give the Kumas something to fap to.
I don't think Cornet can even get hard anymore, to be honest.
I don't care about Cornette's kinks. I've had plenty of weird sex and things in my ass during it. It's just that he fucking sucks. He's completely out of touch and pretty much a bigot at best.
Broertje.
What Creed?
Kies mat kiesend bad, kwiete lang droog.
Cool Adam. Needs a pump.
Imagine how many similar NDAs someone like Trump has.
Maybe Vince will be the first that actually gets consequences.
If I get rich, I'm doing all this shit too. All the girls gonna get full of leaves. ND as to the moon and back. Probably gonna poo and pee on loads of broads. Shit, I might even drink some pee. Let's just be real.
You don't even need to be rich to do that. Just get on Grindr.
This is your brains on drugs!
You the data cheek quiz for Red Bladin Scars? Yes or no?
Rena vs Mox for AEW and GCW titles.
In a heartbeat.
Former. World Tag Team Champion and former
冰丝带
FANTASICE Champion.
Rocco, I am finished on her forehead and trying to aim for the grooves.
Los.
Kevin.
Forforo. Get it into the brain.